Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is LC with Loyal Crypto. Thanks for joining me today. Now today I have a special project for you. It's on social money, okay? So the project name is RLY. The ticker is RLY, and I think this is gonna be a killer in the marketplace because it's solving a problem that has been a problem for many years. Just how NFTs are creating revenue for content creators to gain revenue of what they earn, RLY is doing the same exact thing with content creators and their social networks. Now this is one, helping social communities and content creators to become closer together, and it's gonna allow both to reap off the benefits, all right? So I think this is gonna be an interesting project for you guys to learn about. And of course, if you like me finding these altcoin gems, please like, subscribe, and share. Now, let me dive into it.
All right, so today we have RLY. So RLY is an interesting play in the NFT space, and it is a social coin. Now, as you can see down here, we have a special tag called social money. And I think this is also going to be a huge space this year because there's a theme growing behind supporting content creators. And I think social money is going to hold an important place in that theme. All right, so we have RLY at $1.03, as down 2.5%, but we have a market cap of $130 million. This is what I like to call a low cap gem, okay? If you come to this channel, you look for low cap gems. This is what I'm providing to you. This is what I do for this community, okay? So the max supply is 15 billion with a circulating supply of 126 million, all right? I don't think they're gonna release all of this supply within 1 year, so I don't really see any worry in it. But look at this low circulating supply of only 126 million. Now let's scroll down and see what we're looking at on the chart. So the chart, you look at the 90-day here, it had a massive run up. And if you can see here on March 11th, it had a price of only 28 cents to our all-time high of $1.40. I'm looking over here, $1.40. So 24 hours. So we had a nice sell-off this week, and you can see we bounced back pretty nice from it in 7 days. It also shows we have a bearish trend, and I'm going to get into that in the chart, and I see a huge buying opportunity. Okay, so let me scroll up and I'm going to show you what they got going on at RLY. So if we look here at their Twitter, you see RLY has only 14,000 followers. So you know that I'm getting this thing over to you guys early. I see some huge growth happening now as altcoin season approaches. And like I said, I think this number is going to grow dramatically. Just know who brought it to you first. So in their brief description here, it says introducing Creator Coin, custom branded digital currencies for content creators and their communities, providing better engagement and value via better economics. So let's go over to their site and let's see what's going on. Now I'm on RLY's website, and you can see here crypto for creators. RLY is an open network that enables creators to launch vibrant and independent economies with their communities powered by the Ethereum blockchain. So this is on the Ethereum blockchain, and creators, artists, and community leaders launch your own digital currencies powered by the blockchain. I think I will. I'll get to that in a second. So under creators tab, you have gain independence through a decentralized monetization system that enables a sustainable form of revenue and increase engagement with your community. Fans, purchase and hold social tokens to gain access to benefits including unreleased content, private communities, early access to tickets, and exclusive merch, all while showing your loyalty to your favorite creators. I feel like this is going to create a whole new wave in the space, okay? We're all humans. We do know that we had idols growing up. We do know we have people that we look up to, and we have celebrities that we do idolize, okay? Now, with the project's vision, right now you have a lot of smaller content creators that are actually building tokens. They're getting in early, so I feel like they're gonna lead the space. But when they start getting celebrities onto something such as a RLY fan token, like, do you guys understand the mass potential right now? Do you not see every day in the news there's someone new coming into the NFT space as far as celebrities go? You have Lupe Fiasco, you have The Weeknd, you have world-class DJs, you have all these people diving into NFTs for the simple fact of becoming closer to their fan base and cutting out the middleman. With Rally, they're also able to now build their own ecosystem that's going to leverage cryptocurrency to one, help them, and also empower their community to have better access with them. And I believe Rally's also creating some new ways for the fans to also benefit in being a part of that community. Okay, so definitely take a look at this project. You guys know I don't hype projects here, but when I see something that can have a dramatic effect on how we live our lives today and it's actually creating a solution toward a certain need, I have to let you guys know about it. I'm sorry, I'm just doing my job. Okay, let's keep it moving. So we put the power in the hands of the creators and their communities. Rally offers anyone with an online community the ability to launch their own coin without the complexity of coding on the Ethereum blockchain. Rally is a decentralized platform completely governed by the community. This means that creators and their communities have unfettered control to use their social tokens across all social platforms. Oh man, the Beehive about to go crazy. Okay, so I know the Beehive, the Barbies, all these diehard fans. When you have your idols start to get things like a community token, are you kidding me? Like, I mean, all right, man, let me keep it moving. So how to use a social token? Create your own coin. Creators can launch their own branded cryptocurrency on the Rally Ethereum network, drive community participation. Creators can reward their most loyal fans with coins, and their fans can purchase additional coins. Now, I'll get into the tokenomics in a little bit, but I believe Rally is going to be backing each of the social coins, and that's also going to help with the inflation. Okay, so that is an excellent idea. And exchange coin for access and benefits. Fans can hold or exchange their coins for access to private communities, exclusive content, and physical and digital goods. And you see here, Rally in the news. You can look into the website and get into all of that. Now I'm going to go ahead and create a coin for the Law of Crypto community. So let's go launch your own coin. So launch your creator coin. Build your own independent economy with your community and monetize without any platform fees. Ooh, I love the sound of that. Okay, let's get started. How did you hear about Rally? Through all the research that I do online till 3, 4, 5 in the morning sometimes, so I can make sure the Law of Crypto community is profitable. But all I can say is in the news. So what's your creator or public name? So that's gonna be Law of Crypto. Okay. Now, what will you name your creator coin? What is your desired ticker? Okay, so I'm thinking what, Law or LOC for Law of Crypto? Which one look better? No, I think you guys are gonna want that one. Law is a lot easier, right? All right, let's do it. All right, so A, what perks will your audience receive for buying and holding your coin? And what events, services, activities, and goods will you offer for your coin? All right, so I'm thinking what, maybe calls in our webinars, because I'm doing that already. Also email or text features if you guys have any specific questions about your portfolio or a certain coin and you want my detailed analysis on that one project. I guess I can shoot that over to you in the email. So boom, let's do that. All right, just submitted the application. Done, your information was sent perfectly. All right, so I guess we're in the review process for creating the Law of Crypto Rally coin. Now let me get you over to the chart to let you know what I'm seeing. As soon as you see this thing hop on a chart, you see a huge spike here, and I don't know why, but TradingView isn't showing me the whole scenario, but it looks like we have 18 cents to go off of there. We see some good consolidation going on right now between these dates, and what I can see here is, let me throw my fib retracement back up. I already have my levels put in there, so boom, zoom in a little bit. You see our 382. And right now, it looked like Rally is trading beneath our 50% retracement. So as we looked at the chart a little earlier, you've seen that we were in a bearish trend. And what I can see, let me just draw some trend lines here. What we want to see is how long we're going to stay in this channel. So this is called a bull flag. Whenever price is moving in a downwards channel, such as this is called a bull flag. And we want to see when it's going to break above and then bounce off to stabilize, okay? But as of right now, we want to see if we can buy Rally a little lower or if it's gonna finally bounce off one of our fib levels and then possibly break out of this trend. Okay, so once it breaks out of this trend and bounces, that's a confirmation, but we have to wait to see if it's gonna do that. All I can do is go off of what price action is giving me now. Currently, it looked like it bounced somewhere at our 618. So our 618 is showing as strong support right now, because if you look at our other chart, let me just go back to CoinGecko. So CoinGecko, you see 90 days, it looked like we took off on March 11th and we came all the way up here. So I feel like Rally has a good reason to take a nice break, because look at this run, I'm telling you. So let's get back. So I have no problem with the cooling off. That's gonna give more buying opportunities. Now, full disclosure, I do have a small bag of Raleigh and I'm looking to get an even bigger bag. So I have no problem with a small term bearish trend, because I see a great future for this project. We want to also see it break over our baseline. I use a 50 EMA for my baseline, and once it comes out of this bearish trend and this bull flag, I want to see it bounce on top of that baseline. And let me take a quick look at our indicators, see what that's showing. All right, so my trend indicator is showing that we are in extremely oversold regions. That means price is trading outside of its range and it's being very dramatic. So whenever I see price trading underneath the range, I see a great buying opportunity, because it's overstretched. Price usually wants to stay within this zone between the red line and the green line, but if it doesn't, it comes out of there. We, the loyal crypto community that pay attention to charts, we will be able to capitalize on these opportunities once price action show us it has now stabled off, because you never want to catch a falling dagger. You want to wait for it to level off and then we buy. If I scroll down, you look at our RSI, and we have here that we are currently above the 50 line, and I want to see if it bounces on top of the 50 line to show that rally is going to start rallying in the market. Okay, so once it does something like that, I can see that it's starting to get more momentum behind it, so we can finally go for new heights. So just using both our indicators together, I want to see the trend indicator do something like come back into range. Once it comes back into range and I see the RSI do something like a bounce on top of the 50, I feel like this is going to be very bullish. And when we're looking at price action, we also want to see it come out of this bearish trend and start to trade on top of this channel. So once it trades on top of this channel and gets that bounce for confirmation, maybe our baseline will be here as well and we get that double bounce. I feel like it will be definitely time to buy some more rally, because it's going to be bullish, baby. All right, now let me show you my price prediction, because as I stated, I am very bullish on rally. I see a positive future here. And let me just do this, swing high, swing low. See a point here that we came down to right off of that move, so I'm just gonna use this one for right now. Boom. All right, let's see where it's taking us. Oh man, I forgot I already had this up. So our first level at $2.11 that I want to see after we break out of this bull flag. I want to see it, one, break our previous high, and the previous high is always going to be resistance for right now. Once we blast out of this, oh man, I feel like we're possibly going to do something like bounce over. That's going to be now support, and then we're going to go to our $2.11 mark. Now, the next level after that is $2.41. So if it doesn't just hit this, it may trade through and hit somewhere in this gold zone. So it may not go immediately to our 1.618, but if it comes somewhere within this box, that's why I put this gold box here. This is our gold zone between the 1.272 and the 1.618. I feel like that is a great time to take profit, or if you're looking to accumulate, you wait for it to hit here and then take a dip, because you understand that other people in the market are taking profits, and that is just showing that we're on track to keep going higher. So look for this zone here between $2.11 to $2.41 to see when we're going to take our dip when we get to this region. And then after that, I see another price target of $2.75. And going a little further out, I'm gonna say we're gonna reach $3.29.
Okay, so if you like content like this, please like, subscribe, and share. This market is gonna love you for finding these altcoin gems, and by the end of altcoin season, I mean, man, you're gonna be proud of yourself. You're gonna think you're a genius. Now, RLY is something that I'm invested in, and I want you guys to do your research to see if you want to invest in it as well. I think it's gonna definitely be an interesting play, and like always, I'm gonna keep finding these altcoin gems for you to make this community profitable. And until next time, one.